Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. Today, let's master the German alphabets. So let us begin. I will repeat each and every alphabet. You could either repeat with me or maybe you could just pause the video and practice with yourself. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A umlaut A, O umlaut Ö, U umlaut Ü, etc. Great job! We have now practiced the German alphabets. Keep practicing it daily because practice is the key and soon you will start feeling very natural. If this video helped you learn the German alphabets, give it a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends who are also learning German. And don't forget to subscribe and support my mission to spread knowledge. Leave a comment below if any alphabet was tricky to pronounce.